So today, class, we are going to be practicing adding and subtracting negative and positive integers. For our practice today, we have our two-sided chips. Our yellow side is going to be our positive, and our red side is going to represent our negative integers. So we have yellow is positive, red is negative. So for our first practice problem, we have 5, positive 5, plus negative 2. Now, it's interesting to note that these two positive and negatives kind of line up with each other. Now, that's important because these two form a zero pair. A zero pair is one positive and one negative, and they equal 0. So what we can do, since they equal 0, we can take them out because they're not doing anything to add to our problem. So we take away one zero pair and another zero pair because they're equal 0. And what we're left with is 3, positive 3. So 5 plus negative 2 is equal to positive 3. Now, that is adding. For our second practice problem, we're going to do subtraction. And we are going to do let's do positive 4 minus negative 3. Now, we have our positive 4 here. Now, do we have any negatives that we can subtract from this problem? No, we only have positives. So, how do we add negatives to this problem to subtract? So, we just learned about zero pairs. So, what we can do is we can add zero pairs to our problem. Now, you may be thinking, why can we do that? Because the zero pair is equal to 0. So it's not going to change our problem. We're just adding 0 to our 4. So let's go ahead and we're going to add 3 zero pairs because we need 3 negatives. Okay, so here are our zero pairs. Remember, these equal to 0, so we're not changing the problem. We're just adding 0. Okay, so now that we have negative 3, we can subtract that negative 3. 1, 2, 3. No more negatives. And what we're left with is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, positive 7. So 4 minus negative 3 is equal to positive 7. Good job, guys.